Alright, my dear student, welcome back to your French language course online. Je m'appelle Chidi. In this lesson, we are going to begin to work on Unit 2. First of all, congratulations for completing Unit 1. You are doing a great stuff, you are learning stuff, and I hope that you are taking advantage of the recorded lessons and the resources that we provide here to learn French. First of all, let me add a page here. In this lesson, I am going to go over the learning objectives of Unit 2. It is important, like I said in Unit 1, that you know ahead of time what the expectations are, what you are expected to cover by the time you finish the unit. That way, you can focus your energy on the things that matter. We have 3 global learning objectives. We have communication objectives, and under communication, you are going to be able to do a few things by the time you finish this unit. You are going to be able to see people and greet them in the appropriate ways in French. So, greetings. You will be able to introduce yourself, introduction of self. Introduce yourself to people and also hear people, understand them when they are introducing themselves in basic, simple, everyday kind of communication. You'll be able to give personal information such as your address and place of birth, etc. Now, you also be capable of telling people about your nationality, where you are from. Nationalité in French. Let's write this one in French. You should be able to talk about the language you speak. So, you talk about your languages. You should be able to describe yourself. So, and describe other people too using adjectives. So, we talk about physical description. Description of self and of others. So these are the key communication objectives that you must target. You must make sure that by the time you finish the unit, you are able to do these things. And if there's any one of it that you're not able to do, you need to let me know so that we figure out why you are not able to do that. If you need explanation, further explanation of the concepts, we will find opportunity to provide that. I'll add another page. We also have communication objective that's linked to culture. The language belongs to a people, and a people have culture. So we will look at faire la bise. So we look at la bise, which is the cultural aspect, certain cultural aspects of French people that are related to greeting. When you meet people and greet them, what kind of things do you do? Like handshake, like give a peck or give a kiss or those kind of things. We will understand those cultural elements. And now, very importantly, the other key communication objective will be grammar. By the time you finish the unit, you should be able to know what is subject pronoun, you should be able to know a subject pronoun and be able to identify all the subject pronouns we have in French. You should also know the persons that those subject pronouns represent. So subject pronouns and persons, you should be able to know that. You are going to be able to engage in verb conjugation. So conjugation of verbs. Verb conjugation. You will understand what is conjugation. You will understand what is infinitive of a verb and how conjugation can change infinitive to different forms. We'll look at certain verbs like être and so on. In order for you to be able to describe yourself, to give physical description of self and of others, you should be able to know descriptive adjectives. What descriptive adjectives. So these are the key learning objectives of the unit, and you must make sure that you know how to do these things, or you know what they mean by the time we finish the unit.